Hi everyone, welcome to On Spectrum Kitchen. Today we're going to be making my red Rebel Cupcake. It's a redless red velvet with ginger cream cheese frosting. Alright, let's get baking. Alright, so first things first, preheat your oven to 350 and prep some cupcake liners. We're going to add 1.5 cups of cake flour, 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, unsweetened to be specific, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to whisk until combined. All right, now we're going to set this aside and onto the wet. All right, so first we're going to add 1/4 cup of butter, 1 teaspoon of distilled vinegar, oh, you can hear the sizzling because there was leftover baking soda in the spoon. Interesting. 2 large room temperature eggs, and I can get this one open. Rinse my hands real quick because that's important. What else? Oh yeah. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Oops. A little extra never hurt. And finally, 1 cup of room temperature buttermilk. Now we are going to mix until combined. Right, now we're going to add the wet mix into the dry. If the butter hasn't fully incorporated, that's okay. So the first day of spring is coming up, and I want to know if you have any ideas on what I should make. Let me know in the comments. All right, now we're gonna scoop them in liners and pop them in the oven for a good 17 minutes. And then once they're cooling, we'll move on to the ginger cream cheese frosting. All right, now onto the ginger cream cheese frosting. We're going to add 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1/4 teaspoon of ground or grated ginger. I'm using ground today. I'm also using a 1/8 measuring spoon twice because I seem to keep misplacing my stuff. Oh well. Then we're going to add 1/2 cup of softened room temperature butter. And we're going to mix until they're combined. Ready, now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of milk. If I can get it to come out, here we go. And finally, a pinch of salt. Now we're going to mix until combined. Okay, now you can stop this for a second. We're going to gradually add 2 cups of powdered sugar. We're going to mix until combined. Oh, I'll wait till after I add it. Oh well, what are you going to do? Oops. Oh. Now we're going to mix until combined. And once it's done, we're going to pipe. And there you have it, redless red velvet cupcakes. Thank you for watching On the Spectrum Kitchen. If you like what you saw, like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. Please follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll put a description in the I'll put the recipe in the description below, so if you want to make it yourself, you can. Have a good day, everybody. Bye.